What's going on, man? It's your boy, Mister. You already know. I ain't got to even say it. I think I talked about this opportunity probably like, you know what I'm saying, a couple weeks ago, maybe last week. I want to say, normally I don't save this much. I'm always trying to save, but I always pull out for some reason. I'm always pulling out no matter if it's something because I want something or because I need something. But this time, this is just something personal to me, so don't take this any type of way. But a pat on my back because I haven't pulled out when I got to 2,500. I'm at 3,000 now, or 3,004, and I'm past 2,500, 2,500, which that's equivalent of $2.50. Yeah, 2.50. And what I'm talking about, let's go to it. I was telling myself I want to get to 5,000, but I want to try to get to 25,000. Hopefully, I don't get the cash out itis and start going crazy. Um, Definitely, if I get to 10,000, I might pull out, But I'm shooting for the 25,000. I haven't hit anything but 2,500, which is $2.50, because it's easier to get to that. And I was just downloading the app, so you might see that account change, or you might see the pending. All right. Normally, what I do is, guys, I see something on the main overall back page view, and I don't know if that came out right, but I normally go to the overall or overview page, the main page, and then I just look for downloading apps, or what I'm saying, I go here. I'm talking about what I do. You can do all of this if you want to, but this is how I do it. I do it the smooth way because I'm not trying to spend too much time. I got two mini sites, and I just go to watching and watch videos. That's pretty much, guys. I wanted to show you this app because I need more referrals, and if you need referrals, I can help you get referrals. You see that 35 points? That's because I had downloaded the app. But I just wanted to let y'all know, man, this app is probably the best one to keep as far as a residual thing when it comes to free money, because if you're building free money, no money out your pocket apps like myself, what I would say is build this one, because this one is more of a residual thing. When I say residual thing, your referrals will still make you points. So let me go show you. My referrals haven't did anything lately, but they have before I started getting back into it. So lately I've been going crazy, right? Because people might think, oh, well, your referrals go crazy and you don't do anything. Yeah, they was. They was. Look at this. They was. They was. Then I just picked up. So I'm going to chill for a minute, let my referrals do their thing. And by that time, I'll probably be at least $5, guys, I know. And if not $5, I'll definitely be close to $5. See? 39. So 3,039. I was at like 3,000 or like 5 or 7 or something like that. I don't remember. I definitely think it was 4, but I don't remember. But yeah, man, I like this app because, like I said, the referrals, long as they, doing like right now. Let's say exactly the same thing I'm doing right now. If you have referrals doing the same thing every day, guys, that's residual. You know what I'm saying? Free residual. So think about that. Let's get